Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mo again. So, what we're going to look at right now is how we could filter and search the database of Active Directory. For example, watch this. Let me just look at a full screen here. So, if I right click on my domain, that's what, like, when I'm searching, I'm looking in the global catalog server and I choose find. And let's say I'm looking for everything and I just click on find now. And look, I can see every little object, users, groups, and all that. If I'm looking for computers, I could just choose computers, whatever it is that I'm looking for, right? Just like this. And I could just choose find now. Then I can see all the systems over here, right? So if I go back, all right, and I choose users, contacts, and groups, this will clear. And the name starts with S, and I choose find now. It gives me everything that starts with S. So I could be more specific, or I could just do a regular search, which is advanced. The field, remember this user, and I'm going to say the actual city, right? Is the condition is exactly, and I'm going to put NYC and add. Then I'm going to choose find now. It's going to tell me which users live in New York City. It's not a live query. It's like I always actually have to do this. Well, that's how you search. I'm searching the entire domain. If I wanted to search a specific OU, I would actually right click that organizational unit and just choose find, as you see. And I could just choose find now right here from the list. And I can see whatever's actually under there in terms of users, groups, or if there's actual computers. I don't actually see computers in this list over here. So there's no computers at all. That's what a live, like what a search is. That's what it's like. A live search is a query, right? Where a search is I have to search. So a query is always running. Remember a query? Let me just do one quickly. New query, and let's call this New York City users. And let me define the query. See, I get the same options, right? Advanced and field and user and city and is exactly, and I'm putting NYC over here. And I'm clicking on add, then okay, then okay. So this is always running. It's a live search. When I do a regular search, it's just it searches at that time and that's it. So there's a difference between a query and an actual search. Well, there's another thing I could do, which is filtering Active Directory. So if I click on my domain and I go to the filter option, which is right over here, see that? Set filtering option. I could say, you know what? I want to show only the following objects. I just want to see users, just users, and I'm going to click OK. So if I go to computers, there's nothing. I go to domain controllers, there's nothing. I only see users, right? You see this? I only see users, and that's it. I don't see anything else. But if I go to users here, I only see the user accounts. Where are the groups? Are they deleted? So don't panic, right? Because you are filtering Active Directory for easier looks. So watch this. If I go back and I say, you know what, put a check mark for groups, all right? And then I click on OK. I go to users. I get the groups back. So that's what the filtering is. Then I could say, I could even customize the filter, right? A specific field. Look at this. There's a lots of options over here that I could filter Active Directory. I could even specify how many items I want to be looking for. Look at all these options, right? There's a bunch of interesting options over here. So that's the filtering option. That's it for this lecture, and we'll continue with more fun stuff in our next lecture. So, all right, folks, we'll see you guys later. Bye, everyone.